Opus Health staff use top evidence-based treatment models to best serve our patients. In addition to using standard clinical treatments for recovering addicts, we always bring a holistic approach to rebalance the body and mind of each person. Keep watching to find out more. Holistic treatments. Holistic treatments seek to enhance the person's overall well-being physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. We understand addiction affects all areas of life. Therefore, practices like therapy, nutrition, meditation, and physical exercise are all supplemented into most treatment plans. Mind-body connection. Scientific studies show more and more that there's a significant mind-body connection. This affects many important parts of daily life. With addiction, the mind and body have a strong link, which is why during treatment it's crucial to address and pursue healing for both. EMDR. Psychotherapy treatments such as EMDR, eye movement desensitization and reprocessing, are popular when looking to work through traumatic experiences. Originally, EMDR was used in the medical world to help relieve distress caused by PTSD in traumatized individuals. Now it's widely used among professionals as an effective way to allow patients to evaluate, reprocess, and overcome past painful experiences or PTSD symptoms. Trauma and addiction. In order to cope with trauma, some people turn to drugs or alcohol. Although substances don't take away the pain, they temporarily numb the pain. The relationship between trauma and addiction is complicated because they are so tightly intertwined. You may need the help offered by our compassionate staff here at Opus Treatment in Costa Mesa, California. In some instances, traumas cause a constant state of extreme fear and are associated with many negative emotions that include hopelessness, helplessness, pain, loss, fear, entrapment, confusion, and betrayal. Trauma can be caused by a one-time event or can develop over time as the result of a repeated occurrence. A few events that could cause significant trauma include child abuse, sexual assault, natural disasters, and violent crime. They also can include accidents, war, and bullying. Getting help. Getting help for such issues can be difficult because of the self-loathing, resentment, and anger you may feel. Addiction problems are high for this very reason. Once the addiction takes hold, breaking free and dealing with the underlying trauma becomes almost impossible. If you find yourself in this situation, don't despair. You can get help for your drug addiction and heal from the trauma you've experienced by seeking help with Opus Treatment in Costa Mesa, California. Contact us today for more information. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.